Yo, what's up, guys? Let's get started. Here we go with another stream, another day. Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, and AIs, I would say at this point. We are there. AI is watching. It's in our day life, it's in our nights, it's everywhere. AI is gonna watch my stream eventually, so I'm nice to you. Remember me. A little bit of Windows management. So, I'm gonna lower my volume a little bit. Otherwise, I don't hear my voice. So I was trying to adjust the player, because when I start playing, it falls down real quick, and apparently it just goes through the collision box. Ah, damn it! I need a tissue. I don't know why my nose starts running as soon as I start streaming. I'm allergic to streaming. Right. It was a nice descent this time, so no issues. But sometimes when I try to respawn, it just it's doing fine today. Okay. So when I try to respawn, it just goes through. By the way, is it respawning at random places? Yeah, it feels weird. Bro, are you respawning randomly? No. Ooh, I'm gaining too much speed. Okay, it's fine. Weird. So when does that happen? I guess that's because the rendering is doing rendering and physics in the same thread. I would rather move the physics simulation in a fixed step thread. But I'm not sure that is gonna work here. Because of the way everything is set up right now, there's a single loop. That might work if I do an update physics pass in the render thread, where it gathers all the physics state, regardless of when it's been last updated. But I guess it's not something for now. Why is it complaining about some memory stuff? Does it always happen? Who put a chair here? I probably did. The other me. My other self. So, if I close it, that's fine. So I wonder where that leak is coming from. Let's see, maybe if I move around a little. Wait, did I just fall? By the way, what is this? Oh, what's happening here? So there's some dirt. And here there is an air block. Yeah, something went wrong. There's a gap there. That's because... Okay. Well, this shouldn't happen, right? The water should try to flood into the blocks that are... Yeah, it should just try to flood. But I guess water dynamics is not a priority right now. Just feels weird, but whatever. No, doubtful. I wonder if the player shape is correct. Kind of feels like it's falling everywhere. Might be a bit too big. Yeah, feels like it's a bit bulky compared to the chunk size. So the chunk size, 1/2 meter. I mean the block size is 1/2 meter, while this guy here, so it's 1/2 of a block size. No, this is the no, this is just a thing there. Radius. The radius 0.2. I don't know. I'm gonna try maybe 15.3 compared to 0.5. There's a bit of room now, so that should work a bit more easily. I've reduced the mass of the player to be a bit lighter. Let's see if that makes any difference. Oh, I'm got stuck again. See, that's what I was talking about. Bro, why did I get stuck? Okay, I could jump. Nice. Yeah, I'm feeling thinner now. It's pretty good. Yeah, I'm feeling thinner now. Feel like I can actually work. Still keep falling down, but all right, that's cool. What happened? I was loading a chunk. Okay. That's not great, is it? So I was loading a chunk and everything collapsed. Because it took a bit longer to load and then made a jump. The physics. Yeah, we gotta fix this. What if the physics system was threaded on its own? That would be... Let's see. I don't know. Well, anyway, I don't want to get distracted by other things. The main point for today is getting the greedy meshing working. So compared to the other simpler mesher, I basically re-implemented a simpler measure in a different way. So this time, instead of producing a volume of vertices and then creating from those vertices all the different, like for each cube, all the different faces. So what I'm doing here is creating all the faces in one direction and then kind of slicing the cube in different directions. So what I'm getting here is a bunch of points that will then get projected. So it's a 2D plane, so X and Y always. By the way, I had a diagram here before my son painted over it. I'd be able to undo. No, I'm not able to undo anymore. Gone. It's gone. Ah, it's recovered. Ah. All right. Yeah, never mind. I can make a new one. Anyway, so I guess it's restarted. Why did you restart, bro? So it might have restarted overnight. Just a shame. Okay. I don't know what's happening with this microphone. Um, show solid. So I guess it's gonna come over here and set an offset per object. Should I place it here? Well, I can try. So top top offset. Now the naming is a bit weird right now, but guess I'm gonna fix it later. So there's gonna be top offset. So the top offset's gonna be 0 for most of them. Then here, how do I know what's the top offset, right? Well, that's not top offset then, it's just Y offset. It's gonna have a Y offset. Plus Y offset. This is gonna apply on all the vertices.
What are the
Face
vertices?
ID.
What are the vertices?
They're the points that make the mesh, the 3D mesh. So every mesh is made of points in 3D. So we'll apply the Y offset. Here, ship it. Oh, yes, Damon. Of course. Ship it. Like sheep, though. Keep it.
See?
Let's see if it's gonna work somehow. I would say. Oh, wait. Y offset. Oh, because that's coming from somewhere. Oh, that's gonna be the object.
Failed.
No, it didn't fail. I just.
No, look there, failed.
Yeah, but I can fix it. Easy peasy. Easy as pie. Okay, everything should be normal. And it is. Okay.
I will play.
Now I will need to apply the offset. I need to apply the offset to the water. And who knows which one is the water? So where am I setting the per object buffer? Per object buffer, not that one. What is this? This is the cube. Okay. That doesn't apply. The batch draw. Okay. So this is the guy. What is K? I don't remember what K is. Might be the block layer, correct. So if the block layer is transparent, well, we might need some more layers, like the water layer. That would be nice. Guess I can get even the block type somehow. Batch draw. Before copying, batch.ubo copy the batch.ubo. Where did this come from? Batches. Okay, first we need to create the batches. The batches.
The batches.
Ready. Okay, here it is. UBO pushback. Okay, so this is the guy. Chunk. For transform. Hmm. Uh, okay, I guess we need to slightly modify the UBO. So you get copy UBO. See? Yeah. And then we modify.
Copy your bio. Copy your bio. Copy your bio.
We
Copy your
modify
bio.
the UBO. Wait. Oh, that's a vector. Why is it a vector? Because this is for the whole batch. Oh no, it's for the whole batch. So I guess we need to transform this guy. Oh, that's a vector.
30.
I need to transform all of them. The
How
same
many
layer
apps do you have?
for auto.
How many apps did you do, Daddy?
Oh, maybe I need a vector. So this turns out to be more complicated than I thought. Vector. Oh well. Oh yes. That's gonna be photo. I can use this one. Oh yeah. Just gonna copy and UBO as a reference in UBO copy.
UBO Kobe.
Copy. Now, to get the UBO, and the Y offset's going to be minus 0.1. Oh, that's ugly. Minus 0.1 F. And now we can copy the UBO. That should do it. UBO variable can be replaced with a structure binding. Whatever. You're trying to optimize all of my code. Now, can it run?
Está fininho.
That's the question. Okay. Have you got any offset? Doesn't look like. Oh no, wait. Not every time, but only if A is transparent. What is it called? Block layer. Only for transparent layers. Yeah, almost there in shipping. Once this works, I'm gonna ship it.
Where?
To space. Gonna ship it to space. Interplanetary mining. Wait. Okay.
I want to do it.
Go to the water. Do we have an offset? Oh yeah, we have a nice edge. Finally. Pretty hacky, but it works. So I guess I'm gonna need a water type, a water layer. So maybe I can have clouds without offset.
Wait. Oh, that was very beautiful. Waterfall. Oh. Waterfall.
Okay, let's do some tracing in the meantime. It's looking very random. Interesting spikes. So that's where everything gets generated, likely. Oh, 4 gigabytes. Okay, that's enough. Stop it. Filing due to property document. What? Please correct program track. Memory free without a matching allocation. Okay. Well, that would be nice to know where that happened. So active allocations. Main thread. Memory map.
Do you need to put a sheep?
What? A sheep?
Yes.
No.
On your video game.
Sheeps? Yes. It will have sheeps at some point.
Cows, chickens.
Also chickens.
Chicken in lava.
Chicken lava. Memory.
Chicken
info.
and lava for doing lava. Chicken.
No. You're just waiting for that, aren't you?
Yeah. I'm waiting for that.
Strings per object.
E oggi domenica?
Huh?
E oggi domenica?
Yes. Today is Sunday.
And today
I'm with him. Sheep and chicken, of course.
it's the burger chicken day today.
Chicken burger day.
Yeah.
Collect. That's a tiny collect. But let's go to the spikes. Okay, that's the rendering. Like, the rendering is tiny compared to the whole CPU work. We are definitely CPU bound. Well, it's not even work, it's just waiting. Lots of wait. Update chunks. So where do we generate the chunks? There must be some chunk generation at some point. Oh no. Don't go away. Let's see those spikes. Update chunks. Okay, this is taking a lot. This is taking quite some time. Update chunks. What? No markdown support? No markdown support. Where?
Boom. I don't even need creepers.
We're gonna have creepers update camera. What? Why is it taking so long? And YouTube chat. Yeah, guess that's because People should not be allowed to mark down in YouTube chats. You only mark up. No downs on YouTube chat.
What are the downs?
Why is it taking so long? What is happening here? Dog burp, live streaming. Update flying camera.
But I just burped.
Values. What is it doing? Update flying camera position. What? I mean, that nothing happens here. There's only... It's only transforming some data. Angle, there's just math in here. It can't take that long. There shouldn't even be... Oh, but that could be the generate thread. But even that's not really... Ooh. Generate. Generate. This is puzzling.
But Fantozzi yesterday before you go to sleep, but you were upstairs, but Fantozzi was too fun.
It was too fun.
Yeah, it was super fun.
180 milliseconds. I feel like this is just wrong. So from this point, this is coming from present, and then present is this long. It's an update. Yeah, this can't take that long. I guess it's just some scheduling problem. It must be the scheduler. It likely got preempted here. Because there's a bunch of work happening. And who is allocating all this stuff? There's a lot of allocation. Generate thread. I don't know, this graph is a bit weird. But here, what is happening here? Everything is super slow. Wait semaphores. Okay, he's just waiting for semaphores. And it is waiting 30 milliseconds. So this is VSync, right? Pretty much VSync. But here is rendering way faster, 17 milliseconds. 60 FPS, 30 FPS. Oh, see, 30 FPS. Well, it shouldn't run 30 FPS. That's way too low. Mettila. 30 FPS is way too low for a desktop rendering. This low amount of polygons. And most of the time it's just waiting for semaphores. Yeah, it feels like it just got out of sync. Whatever. The important thing is that it works on the Quest. By the way, does it work on the Quest? I haven't. No, my webcam is gone. Yep, my webcam is gone.
What?
Because it got in the way. Camera is locked. Yeah, I know. So that's because it's trying to use it as a device. Let me restart the connection. Is it gonna make it? No, I guess I need to unplug it and replug it. Unavailable or in use by another app. Yeah, I don't need that. I want this one. Bro, what's the problem? Maybe a good restart. Come on, don't make me waste time. Maybe I can pair it. Let's see.
Sto ancora bevendo il latte.
Alright, I'm back. Well, that was something.
With tooth.
With toots. We're back with toots. Yeah, this time.
And then tooth for real.
Let's see if it's gonna run on the Quest. I want to try on the Quest 2 as well. It's been some time since I tried last time.
Well, guys.
Wait, what? Okay, I need to update the project. I've been testing quite some libraries recently, and none of them really worked. So I tried Entity, and that didn't work. I tried Flex, I think, and that didn't even compile. Hey, Metla. Stop it.
It's me, you.
Should make it some point. I haven't tested on the Quest 1. I think I have it somewhere.
Where is the Quest 1?
I haven't turned it on in a while, so I might need some charging. But I don't even think it has the required extensions at this point. Yeah.
Is that the Quest 1?
No. No, that's just a piece of the Quest 2. So, what are you doing?
I didn't see the Quest 1.
It's in the box.
To see.
Well, later.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Dai, finish your banana.
Banana. Chicken banana.
That's not the chicken banana. Who wants to eat chicken banana?
I will play it.
Okay, so where is my diagram? So this is the diagram that I made yet. What? What happened to my drawing? Who did this?
I did it.
I knew it. Okie. Why is it all dark? Where's the background? It's because it's not visible. It went all the way past through. Well, it's okay.
Unless when you fix it, can I play it? But do the small screen for the play.
Okay, you can. In the meantime, you can play it here. While I'm waiting it to run on the Quest. So we should shortly have multiplayer, I guess, so we can play it both in VR. Except that in VR, I see nothing. Maybe I just fell down too hard. I need to respawn. No, what is that? Oh, okay. This is definitely not how it should render. Oh.
What is that?
Oh boy. Oh boy, it's all broken. Okay, I need to test it much more often. This is all gone bonkers. Well, this... No, it's not. It's not. Why is it doing like that? I don't even know what is happening. Feels like the frustum calling is gone crazy. Let's let me give it a test. I can move around, but everything is popping. Okay, the chunk that I'm in is rendering here and there. Like what? What is that? That shouldn't be rendering like that. Oh boy. So I wonder if it's a generation of the rendering. could even be that... Oh, what? What? Where am I? No, this is not working. This is definitely not working. Okay. I need to figure this out. Oh, hello. Yeah, looks like we got some bug in there. I wonder if it's because of the latest changes. She, go away.
No, no, I want to dig there.
I need to change.
Mm,
Like, stop digging.
I want to do it. I want to dig.
Oh, hey, random guy that I found. Thanks for the sub. And 42, welcome back. Like, come on, give it to me. I'm gonna close it. I'll close it.
Ta-da!
Okay, what is that? No, stop it.
Chicken. My
Yeah,
chicken.
finish your banana chicken.
Chicken banana.
Got so much garbage in this desktop. So what is happening here? I wonder if it has to do with this guy that I just introduced. So let me remove it quickly, and I'm gonna get rid of it.
We go Vader. We go Vader. Hey guys, where is the hell over there?
Restore.
Guys, where is the hell
Ta-da.
over there?
Let's see. You should bring it back to a known working state.
With gibberish.
But I'm not highly sure. Could even be because of the meshing. Okay, so the shader, no. Yeah, this is working on desktop. Now rerun it. This is the best way of coding. Change code, see what happens. Come on. Show me what you got. Why is it taking so long? Okay. We got it in. And where is the world? I feel like I made this a bit slower. What is that? Oh. So I think I just messed things up. Yep. Yep, I think I did it. I just did that. What is happening? Why is it that skewed? Ugh. What is that even? Where's that blocks popping from that block? What? What the heck? That's weird. Oh well. Oh my. Yeah, easy to say for you. I don't even know what happens. What is happening? Well, that's one thing for sure. The
I think all the pieces that it's not loading
no, for sure.
sound.
The frustum calling is not helping.
Water.
Let me get rid of the frustum calling. The frustum calling. Why does that happen? I think it was very close to the batching. Okay, box is visible. That's box is gonna be always visible. Hmm. Let's go again. Wee. Well, I don't expect to be working, but at least to see what is not working. And we are falling. Okay. So that's it. So we are. Oh, wait, what? Oh, shit. Wait. What is going on? So now it's rendering correctly. Now everything is working. So that is the frustum calling doing a very rubbish job. But why? Also, why is it freezing so much? This is supposed to be multi-threaded. Bro, why are you taking so long? Oh boy. That's been a huge regression here. And the physics doesn't like it. Oh boy. Yeah, physics doesn't like. Free fall. Yeah, we're free falling now. Okay, we're back to normal state. But as soon as a new chunk loads in, you just get catapulted anywhere. So now the renderer seems to be working. When I render everything, it works. That is very curious, I would say. That's a vertex offset. So what is the difference between this and the Android version? We have the AABB. We do the check. And the batches. UBO. We create the array. And the arguments buffer. And the count. It seems very intuitive, except for the dynamic state that I've changed recently. Let me go on my Quadro. I think I had some dynamic states, like this guy. But only on the cube. Not on the other one. So this chunks render should not have dynamic states, except for the viewport and the scissors. But this one also has the line width. It can't be. Okay, so that is likely not. Batches. What if this is empty? So if this is empty, we get the UPO. No, it should not even exist, right? Because it's just created. It is in the mesh. The UBO, they all have the same size. So it feels, I don't know. I have no clue. Why would it do like that? Ah, damn it. I'll be back in a bit. I'm back. So I need my music back. Maybe you should try to run it under render dock. Yeah, that might help. If the box is visible, then the patches for this layer, I think that's so yeah, that's the layer. Why call it K? Yeah, let me why did I call it K? That should be the layer. I'm gonna rename this to the layer. Key val. Ah, that's because it was. Should be layer. Okay. No. So that's the layer. If the vertices are empty, then just erased. Okay. And continue. That's good. Okay. So the batches. Okay, here we create the batches for each chunk. Then, if it's visible, we add to the UBO with the vertex offset for each layer. That offset. Oh, okay, so in the buffer for the layer, we have how many buffers do we have? Wait, that is a bit sus. The vertex offset. Draw arguments. Chunk buffer. That offset. Okay, because it's a suballocation. Correct. And that is the vertex input. Cool. And for each layer, we increment the draw count. Okay, for each argument, the number of arguments. Pushback. I mean, the draw count should be. That can be deduced by the argument size. Okay, so far so good. This looks reasonable. Maybe I should look at the log. Let's try again with the logs in place. Did I change anything in the frustum code? This is very much like I left it, which was working. Let's see what happened. There's a bit of refactor implementation. Okay, so nothing really have changed from here. This guy is running. I expect the bug to be still there. Wait, what? Close. Okay. Let's try again. Okay. Wait, is it working now? That's unbelievable. So the frustum is back in. I haven't changed anything. Just renamed. Just renamed that variable. Maybe it was in a weird compilation state. That could easily be. Okay. Let's try going around. Huh. And it's working. Except for the loading time. Oh. Okay. Everything's back to normal. Weird. That was incredibly weird. I don't know what to say. I don't know what to say. Wait. I know. Wait. I know. It's the shader. I know. Because... What? What is happening there? Ah, nothing. Just... What is... I know what happened there. So the shader, when it's compiled, I need to build the APK twice to make through. So that could be it. So if I go back to the shader and re-enable this feature, it will be broken again. So the alignment. Yeah, nice. This is the alignment problem. Let's upload. Alright, we're back in the game. Working fine on the desktop. Let's run on device now. And it might not work. Okay. So we are again. No. Looks like it's working. Okay, that's funny. That's very funny. So then I wonder if I re-enable that. Is it gonna work? Yeah, let's do one step at a time. Here's one change. Let's try running it. Oh, why so much waiting? No. There you go. Back in town. Oh. It's working. Huh. Well, kind of. Except for when we, yeah, die. Sure. That looks, approximately working. I would say that's a good approximation of a working state. Okay. Change. Now change the shader. Not this one. Let's rechange this. And build. Okay. Build it again. Okay. Run it. Oh, that was fast. That was too fast. I hope they packaged the updated shaders. So the problem with Android is that it compiles the shader before the assets are packaged. Like not packaged, but it saves it copies the assets folder and then generates. All right, it's working, except for the fact that we are inside. Well, bro, that's working. But I need to see if the water is rendering correctly. And there is no water, really. Come on, bro. Give me water. Alright. It's rendering. It's rendering fine. I can see a bit of the edge of the water, that's good. But there's so much texture bleeding. How do I fix that? Why is it bleeding so much? By the way, why does the capsule feel so big? Oh no, that's because I have the offset. So I need to align me back. Okay, that feels better. Exactly at the center of the capsule, even though the capsule still feels a big bulky. And this doesn't really feel like I'm 170. So the height should be 170. But I'm feeling much lower. Okay. And yeah, everything looks tiny from this perspective. But it's good enough. We are running at 120. So the rendering is fast. The problem is with the chunks loading. Or I would rename it chunks slowing. So that's it. There was no bug. The bug was the compiler, I guess. Such a waste of time. Well, at least I got time to rename some of these variables. Layer makes much more sense. And that's just it. Okay. So maybe I should get into a little bit of an optimization pass because it's getting quite out of hand. And it's kind of compromising the testing process. I don't really know why it's taking so long. Is that because of the layering system? I mean, it could just run it in release mode and it should be fine, but that feels like cheating. I don't want to cheat. I want to be the best in town. It could be the new measure. It could be. No, because this is running chunk mesh. This is running the thread. So that is running in the thread, and who is running update chunks? But I should get some results. I would instead try to run this through the Android build. So let's discard and reconnect and run the Android build again. So the lesson, guys, is that if you leave your code for too long unattended, it will create bugs. Like bugs form by themselves. Well, that's how it works in real life, right? So the name is well suited. Bugs everywhere. And it wasn't a bug. It was a transient bug. Transient. How do you say it? Okay. What's happening? Why are you taking so long? Run. And it's not running. Bro, come on. Just run the thing. Launching on device. No, you're not doing that. Okay, stop it. I can launch it by myself. Launching on device. How does that take so long? So launch it here. And I wonder if this guy can connect. Probably not. Okay, we got it. Go for it. And back in the game. It's pretty steady. Okay. We are steady, and then... Okay. Wow, that is big. That's a big chunk of work. And here we go. Okay, I think this is enough. So we have collected enough data. Why are you still running? Dude. Did you not stop the process? Oh, it stopped it now. Okay. Alright, so let's see what happens here. This timeline here is weird. Why is it? Why is it so weird? Can you just... Can you just work? Oh no! What the? Where am I? Frames. Can you show me? Okay. Okay, this looks better already. Let's go to the screen refresh. Or these. Okay. Why don't you just fill it by default, like fill by the whole size? That would be so much nicer. Alright, we have the initialization, and that's fine. Render takes a long time. Render, it's taking a whole lot of time. What is it doing? Okay, update chunks. We need a breakdown from the update chunks because this is really bad. Like 3 seconds, almost 4 seconds of update chunks. And then what is this? Small. Clear chunk state. So the single update chunks function takes 3 seconds here, and then it takes 2 seconds, 1 here, 1.5, and it keeps doing it. Oh wait, that's why the mutex. The mutex is holding everything. So this guy is waiting. No, wait, what? This is the thread 2. What is thread 2? It's supposedly the main thread. Is it? Yeah, that should be the main thread. Maybe you should rename it. Thread 2 isn't that great of a name. So, okay, generate chunks is waiting. That's fine. Generating. And then, boom, big update again. Maybe the update should be a bit more light. Well, update is definitely under the lens here. Update chunks. So you do the frustum. Now there's a whole lot of work here. Let's look at allocations. We do have bumpy allocations here. These are probably the vectors. Let's see. Zone alloc zone 3. Okay, that's the garbage collector. Pool. Ah, staging buffer. Okay. Oh yeah, this is a staging buffer. That's fine. That's fine. So memory. There's not a lot of memory usage. That's fine. Like, oh well, there are lots of allocations in the allocations, but that could just be. Oh, that looks like it's coming from the generate thread. Generate neighbors. Okay, yeah. There are lots of small allocations in these functions. Generate thread. It's not doing anything. Because the main thread is busy with updating the chunks. Generate chunks, generate chunks, generate chunks. Let's see, what are the functions that are called here? So the sorted view, it can't take that much. Then there is, well, we'll do the lock here. Okay, that's fine. Once we got the lock, we do compute for each chunk. Well, it depends on the chunks. There's a lot of work here. For each chunk, it allocates, and then it does copies, vertices, and it sets the chunk dirty. Okay. Clear the chunk state. Everything is update chunks. Need update. It needs update. What if one chunk at a time is updated? And instead of trying to lock, update the first term. So this is definitely the bulk of the work. For each chunk, Well, that's a big of a freeze. How can you reduce it even further? I don't know. It feels like this is just a bit of work. Generate. Can this be done on the thread? And then you just run the copies, like just run the commands, because the commands are not going to be that expensive. Yeah, this is how it should happen. But now it's gonna require. So you just create a new batch, and the update is just going to be running the code. Update. Well, if it's if it's update. But wait, this is running. This is running at every frame, is it? Present. Yeah, update chunks is running every frame, so it should not be that expensive. Why is it? What is it making it expensive? Could be when the block is dirty? Oh, the physics system. Okay. That's it. It's the physics system. It has to be. That's the only thing that really is doing a bunch of work here. So the physics system is gonna create a body. Then we need to move this. We really need to move it away. What does this depend on? Body ID. If it's dirty, it means that it's been modified somewhere where the dirty has been set. No, don't go around. I'm getting hungry. To find something to eat. I'll be back in a bit. Alright, I found some dry fruits and nuts. I go nuts for nuts. I've got some pecan stuff. I don't know what it's called. Pecan nuts. Some dried yellow grapes. Pretty nice. I have some coffee brewing in my mocha pot. Because we Italian people love mocha pot. So who's making my chunks dirty? And that is coming from this guy here. Yeah, the generate chunks is making it dirty. So it needs update. I guess I can move this bit of code up there. Am I gonna ruin everything? Probably. So this is chunks, needs update. Also here. So still called chunk. Tithe chunk shape. Let's see. This is multi-threaded at its best. Okay, nothing is crashing so far. Pretty damn good. Look, that was it. Is it? Let's see. Let's wait a little bit. Oh, it's going crazy. Well, not really, but if you jump multiple times, you do double, triple jumps, which are not a bug. They are a feature. Okay. This is feeling a little bit better. Even though I don't understand why sometimes it's going like 30 FPS and then boom. Ship it! I need a ship it thing that I can run it whenever something works. Just like a sheep. Yeah, let me see. Ship it meme. I don't know. Is that any? No, that's not the thing, is it? I will make a thing. Okay, so it is working here, but you never know what is gonna happen. This is really annoying. Cannot merge separate physical regions. What do you mean? Did I delete more than I allocated? Oh, my coffee. Don't spill it on the keyboard. Don't spill it. Oh, it's burning my hands. It is steaming hot. It's too hot. And I'm drinking it on my wife's granny fancy pottery. Which nobody's gonna use it otherwise. So the day didn't really start very well, because this morning when I woke up, my fridge was warm. Not a good sign, I'm gonna tell you. And the scammy thing is that they sell it as no frost fridge, and that is true. It doesn't frost on like the inside. But it freezes behind. Like that. What? That's just a scam. So it freezes in the pipes behind. There is the, I don't know, there is something that that cools down the air pipe, and that thing freezes like hell. And so it is no frost, but it is frosting behind the scenes. And so at the end of the day, I would have much liked to have a frosty but still cool fridge rather than a warm one that spoils everything that is in it. Anyway, so I had to spend like half an hour to move everything to the other fridge. We have an old fridge upstairs, and at least that's a backup fridge. It counts as a solution, I would say. If something fails, just show a banner. That's how life it is. Oh, by the way, where is my quest one? Right? Wow, that thing feels ancient. How do I remove this pile of junk? There's a lot of stuff here. This is the box of the things that I'm not using. And yeah, this spot that is full. So this is my glorious quest. Quest 1. Still marked Oculus. And I have to say, this thing aged like way better than the Quest 2. This is still rocking. At least on the hardware side. Let's see what the software looks like. I know it's been deprecated, so I might need to charge it first. Yeah, it's gonna need some hardcore charging first. And I don't have any more space on this little table, so I've got a table full of headsets, and you can tell my wife is happy about it. All right. So let's see. Pro is running. Ooh, 120. That's sexy. This graphs looks so sexy. Oh, a little drop. So jumping around. That was it, right? Do I feel anything? No. Well, it's not generating it. Yes, we did it! No drops. So it was the physics. I guess that's just the world we live in. Oh, damn, I'm at the edge. Bro, are you loading? So you can see the physics already loaded, but for some reason the threading is not great. So I could in theory keep working. And the chunks will just load at some point. So this happens because why does it happen? Because there is, so the main thread is not, doesn't get any chance to lock the mutex to read the data, and that's why it happens. So I guess I need some sort of queuing, because having all the chunks in a single in a single vector, that's what it's gonna make it unplayable. But yeah, this is running super duper smooth, but it's also small, so that's not a big win. Oh boy. This is freaking me out. Ah! Okay. The mass generation definitely got better. Oh, and underwater. Ship it! But you know, you're not totally wrong. I should ship it. I could probably start uploading it on the app lab. But I don't know. I feel like I want to, because it is kind of pointless right now. You just walk around. I don't even know if it saves the state. Uh-oh. Ah, where am I? I'm falling. Free falling. No, I'm not free falling. I'm just stuck. Wait, where am I? Ah, I'm stuck. Okay, I'm back. So that is not free falling. By the way, what's the memory usage of this thing? Temperature. Oh, look at the CPU. So the CPU's level is 1 and the GPU is pretty chill. So we're not working really hard. And bro, this is not even using greedy meshing yet. I feel like I was doing something very wrong with the previous measure. Okay. But what's cool about this new method is that it's generating. It's basically generating one side of each chunk at a time. So technically, for each chunk, based on my location, let's see if the drawing board is working. Okay, maybe you can pick a better view. Wait, is it gone? Bro, you're not updating anymore. Okay, wait, but that's weird. Okay, so let me pick. Boom, like this. No. Why is it not? Okay, go somewhere. In there, let me draw. Okay, it's dead. So there should be a keystroke for enabling drawing on the screen. Is it this one? No, that's not it. Color picker. Draw it? What is it called? It was Control Shift. No, Control Alt 3. Okay, whatever. It always fails me. I'm trying to do this. So the idea, I'm gonna pick. Give me a new one. Save it. Otherwise, my son will get angry. So the idea is that every time we have cubes. Wait, I have a tablet. I have a stylus. I can do the fancy way. Look at this. Let's go artistic mode. Waiting for the connection to happen. Okay, we're back. So the cool thing about this is that when we have a cube, so this is generated by faces. So we're gonna have all the faces looking at this direction. I'm not good at drawing. and so on and so forth. Whoa, bro, look at this perspective. Okay, and then we have all the other faces looking here, and I can basically merge all of these into batch drawings. So if the camera is here and it's looking at this direction, oh, that's the worst camera ever. Yeah, I can draw this. I can draw this. I can well, if it's looking upwards, and I can easily tell whether it's depending on the normal. I can easily tell if this is this whole plane is visible. And can I though? Well, I mean, not really. Well, I can do a simplification, right? So I can take the whole chunk of, you know, all the boxes inside, and I can say that if I'm below the bottom plane, right, looking upwards, and take the normal from the bottom plane, I can certainly say that if this is invisible, all of the others are not. Like everything, and then the same happens from the top. So looking from the top, and I'm gonna test it. Wait, what am I doing? I'm gonna test it from. Well, this is not the normal of the top, of course it's not. I'm gonna test it with the normal of the bottom, but also, yeah, with the view. Yeah, of course, with the view. The view, and this is the vector. So the normal of the bottom, and the view vector is going to be pointing to this guy here. Well, you get the point. So that should make it. That should make the rendering. That should allow me to render half of the faces every time, because you can look at the cube only from 3 faces at a time. Could be 1, 2, 3, or it could be 1, 2, and the one on the back. It could be any of the 3 ones at the same time, never more than 3. That could be a good optimization. And since the generation of the code, yeah, for each, okay, that sounds good enough. I mean, I don't have to modify the vertex buffer. That's cool, right? Because I only need to change the draw arguments. And the cool thing about this method is that, which is something I'm gonna do, is to move everything into GPU space. So culling and generation, visibility, and the generation of the command draw, the command the draw list is going to happen on the GPU or a computer shader. So that's the cool thing about indirect, is that at some point you can move everything to GPU, so there is no need to all this fancy stuff. Not that it really mattered so much. We can see here it's not taking that much anyway. So let's, yeah, update. The overall update, this is very tiny and still overwhelmed by the render anyway. Okay, by the way, this is the old capture. The new one should look a bit better. All right. Shall we do that now? I wonder if... but the downside is that it's gonna require 3 times as many draw calls, right? Not draw calls. Well, I mean, yeah, draw calls. Not actual draw calls, but I'm pretty sure that an indirect call is gonna be translated into a single draw calls. A bit lighter than called the direct draw calls, but okay. So that is working on the quest. I'm gonna say let's try the quest 2 now. And the quest 1 is still charging. I'm not even sure it's gonna boot. This is painful. The quest 2 is painful to test because it doesn't have any padding. This is gonna sit right on my face with hard plastic. And the plastic is not even like, it's sharp. This is crazy sharp. This edge is crazy sharp because it's got this bevel on one side, and it's just too sharp. And I had to remove the foam thing because it was I don't know how to say it, it was disintegrating. So it was very nasty to have it on the face, and it just leaves all this foam material. Alright, quest 2 is on. I can keep it on the face, it's just gonna squish it on my eyes. Weird. Oh, yeah, let me give it a quick clean, because if you would look at it, it's so greasy because I have to basically have it squished on my face. Is this running? What's happening? I see some red. That's not a good sign. I see lots of red. Bro, can you stop for a moment? It's a crushing. But it's not even running yet. Nah. Okay, let's try again. Why are you crushing? Yeah, as if it's gonna answer me. Oh no, something is failing hard. Okay, stop. Can you stop it? Can you stop? Oh no, this this is the wrong controller. Oh yeah, the controller. How can I test the quest 1 without controllers? Bro, the controllers. What's wrong with you? Oh, here it is. Come on, it's just so slow. Not quite responsive. Okay, close it. Why do you even ask? Is it closed? I don't know what to say. Process ended. Wow, it took some time. Let's go debugging. Error validation failure. Huh. Did I ask too much? Validation failure. I wonder what's happening there. My coffee. Choppy engine isn't responding. Of course it's not. I ended. Close it. Include complete log reports and diagnostics. To who? To help Meta understand, resolve the problem, blah 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 blah. Nothings. What is this? What? No, I never said I wanted to do reports. Bro, what are you doing? So let's see. I think there is a good amount of updates. It's been a while since I started up. V79. I think we are. Oh, really? Oh, good. 79. I thought we were in the 80s or something. Okay. Launching on device. What is that? I've never seen this. Input dispatching. ANR. Ooh. Kernel faults. I don't know what this is. Can you just stop doing whatever you're doing wrong? Come on, just stop. It is falling apart. Unable to execute Clang Tidy is not found. Open settings. Use external. Clang T. Use Clang Tidy. And then there's some C line bits. Okay. Yeah, do that. And if you'll be able to remove all this red crap here, that would be nice. Because as you can see, Clang doesn't have them. Look, nice and clean. Why are you the dumb brother? Stopping. Really? You're not stopping anything. Okay, I think it's time to restart it. And I think I also lost the webcam. Yeah. Ah. Why isn't the Wi-Fi option working? So let's go back to Android Studio then. Come on. ADB. Also, why did you kill ADB? Now the webcam is not working. One needs such a patience when technology just works. Bro. Okay. Just go for it. Camera locked. What does it even mean? Oh, no, not that one. This one. Are you there? Come on. You can do it. It's almost there. Let's try again. Oh, finally. Yo, the game is back in town. Quest, please. I want to make it runnable on Android also. I just need to work out some of the swap chain stuff. Hey, did you stop? Not hearing the music anymore. Okay, still there. Cool. Let's try again. Debug. So we need a debug run so it breaks on what is missing. I shouldn't have enabled anything weird. Win merge. So we have a diff between quest 2 and 3. This is basically what is in quest 3 that is missing on quest 2. So quest 3 is officially 1.3 while quest 2 still 1.1. Revision is 295. Yes, they are same revision. Goodie. Alright. Still working. Launching on the device. What do you mean launching on the device? It either launches or not. Yes, weird, that's no trace of launching. You're not launching it. You're just stuck trying to launch it. Is my tablet? What are you doing? What is this? Like, what's going on? That's a very easy command to do. I'm gonna unplug it. Hoping it's not affecting my webcam again. There you go. Come on. Okay, let's do without. Fuck it. Let's try to do the debugging then. Come on. Let's see, maybe I can use the old webcam. By the way, who's using this? Web camera. Oh, that's the other one. Okay, cool. I can replace it with this guy here. Do 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 do. Hmm. And I'll save. Filters. Let's see. Source record. No, we don't need the source record. This one. But I want the background removal. Cool. Alright. I'm gonna keep this one. Yeah, I'm gonna be on the outside for a bit. Alright. But I'm looking on the other. And I look here, I look there. It's kind of... I'm gonna be at the center. But that's weird. Okay, let me place myself back there. So, process ended. How did it even end? It didn't even start it. Okay, waiting for the debugger. Oh, my coffee got cold. There you go. Finally. Wait, what? Feature not present. Would be nice to get. What features not? Oh, wait. I didn't enable the validation layer. So that could help. So I should find it like inject. Okay. Injecting more than one device and validate. Well, I'm not using the webcam anymore. I can detach this. That should be only one now. And try again with the validation layers enabled. Casting. What is casting? Send this app. Who introduced this app? All right. So let's do another session. Another debug session. Clear. There we go. Loading. Oculus. Stuff. Okay, we got something new now. So pnext member. Oh, I need the full view. Oh, okay. There we go. So where does the message start? Create info includes a pointer to 1.1, which was added in version 1.2, but the current okay. The current effective API version is 1.1. Okay. So 1.1 features. So I cannot use that because the API was introduced in 1.2. Oh no. Okay. And updation. But create. Wait. What is this one? Was not included in enabled extensions. Okay. Was it not? Yeah, this is never gonna work on Quest 1. I'm sorry, guys, but it's likely not gonna happen. And then, what else do we have? The multi-view feature. So this is coming from me trying to clean up a bit, but it turns out that machine required. Oh. Yeah, I need to do a bit of cleaning up because I made everything work correctly for the Quest 3, but then all the features are available. It's just the way they are enabled, it's not supported. But okay. So 1.1 can't be used directly. And the annoying bit is that I have to do this both. So 1.1 features, and I need the multi-view from here. And this is an error. Yeah. So these can't be used. Geometry shader, tessellation. So instead, I'm gonna have to use the multi-view extensions feature. This is so annoying. It's gonna add enabled multi-drones direct. Enable features too. Okay, this doesn't have an implication. That's cool. That's fine. Also, this feature, but creating the parent was not included. And if I include it, it's going to the new API is gonna complain about it. So I also need to add check of what version I'm running. This expression undeclared and identifier. This guy in this editor is not even able to understand these two are related. So this is for the multi-view and shader draw parameters. Okay, shader draw parameters. These can all be enabled at once. Multi-view feature. Okay, no, well, actually we do have the multi-view feature. So if I just silently remove this guy, shader draw parameters. I don't know much about this. Shader draw parameters. Does it have Chronos, Vulkan? Yeah. Does it have a feature? Draw index, base vertex, base instance. However, should a feature bit was added to distinguish whether it's actually available or not. Okay, functionality is included in 1.1. So I guess it's if it's enabled, then it is. If it's available, it's gonna be enabled. Shader draw parameter, yeah, correct. And this guy shall not be passed. Let's see if this is gonna make any difference. Clear the log. I'm so tired right now. I'm gonna do the last few changes. Then I've got to go. That's it. Let's get something done. I'm gonna say, okay, this was not a useless stream. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Okay, okay, good. Oh, I share something. Wait. Imageless frame buffer. So a missing extension required by the device. Oh. Did you not have this? Imageless frame buffer. Imageless frame buffer extension. Bro, right there. Wait, what? Maybe I didn't read. So, missing extension required by the device. Image format list. Can't you just enable that on your own? Okay. There you go. Now you should run without complaining too much. These nuts are so salty. How do people enjoy salt? Hmm? The pecan nuts. The brown ones. Bro, what? What feature? Device runtime Vulkan. Max supported Vulkan XR. Why does it say device Vulkan is 1.3? It's not. It is clearly not. We should get something API version here. It's 1.1. Ah. So why are you still failing? I don't get it. Also, where's a cold stack? Error feature validation failure. Okay. Feature not present. Which feature? Which feature is not present? Multi-sampled feature. Or maybe this guy here. But why is it not reporting it anymore? Let's see. So this could require the extension. I'm just guessing at this point. Multi-sample. Oh no, actually we do have it. We have that. That's in the optional. Then multi-sampled. This is BDA. Wait, buffer device address. Buffer device and is it available? Buffer device address. Yeah, it's available on both. Robustness, timeline feature, multi-view, dynamic states, imageless, device features 2, physical device features 2. Let's see. Physical device features 2. Physical. Physical device features 2. So this is 1.1. I would say it should be right. What about the dynamic state? Dynamic state, extended dynamic state. Device dynamic state features. Image lift from buffer, multi-view, timeline semaphores. This one is being disjointed. Shader drop parameters. You create. What the hell is going on? Vulkan API, I don't know. 1.1. Let's go 1.1. That. I'm not sure that's gonna make any difference. Bro is hating me right now. Oh, okay. Stop it. Let's go debugging. So it's still failing in the device creation. What's wrong with you? Well, I guess it's time. Time to have a look at the Git history to see where I fucked up. That's surely something that I've done. So these features, device features, those are fine. What about this? Not much happening there. This is still input. Nothing here. Just adding scopes. Timeline semaphores. Shall we just say it's good? Yes, it's annoying me. This thing is annoying me so much. Like, not even the validation can help me. Why? Robustness. We have robustness, debug. These are optional. So, these are optional. And so there's a feature that is not present. What is this feature? You don't even know. Synchronization, external memory. What feature? What feature? Multi-sample feature, control pipeline. Multi-draw indirect. This is a feature and multi-draw indirect, is it? Maybe that's the one. Let's see. Okay, draw indirect. And there's a feature name. Conditional rendering. I draw indirect feature. Is it loading? What is it doing?
Papà,
Mm.
io non lo so come faccio tutte queste scoregge. Non so come sto facendo, non lo so come non smettere di fare le scoregge oggi.
Okay, that's okay. This is draw indirect. It's okay. That doesn't require any extension, right? Yeah, that should be available from 1.0. Okay. Fill mod non-solid. White lines. And maybe I can disable these features. I'm gonna try this last thing and then don't want to waste all the time trying to run it on the Quest 2. I can do a proper check another day.
Can I test your video game?
Not right now.
No, now.
No. No, not. I'm testing it already.
Oh.
So it's not working on the Quest 2. Wait. Let me check one last thing and then you can test
One
it.
red.
Yeah, that always happens. It's not my fault. It doesn't depend on me.
It depends on what.
Oh, okay. No, wait. What? Oh, it's working. Haha. So some of these are not welcome, you guys. So what is this? Android decoder. Why does it need media codec? The heck? Why does it need media codec? Flash media. Why would it need media codec? Okay, anyway, so what is this? Oh yeah, okay. So the set vk command set line, maybe this is coming from an extension. That could be it. It is 1 point. It's 1.0. So maybe it's not that. Maybe it's the non-solid. Feature not present. Oh, maybe it's just the feature is not present. I see. It's one of these. Anyway, okay.
Can I see how your video game is?
Let me check first.
The question when I do.
Okay.
Here. And the controller. The controller.
You can pick the controller. And there is... Oh, okay. It is... It's doing good. Okay. It's rendering correctly. 120 FPS. And it's pretty chill. CPU level 0. GPU level 1. You want to play?
Yes.
Okay. I don't know if it's gonna compile. Let's see. Is it gonna compile? What?
It's gonna compile.
Let's see. Let's see. Don't be too optimistic when it's about coding. You know that anything can happen. If there is a red line, do you know what happens?
What?
It's gonna break. Look, now it's working, teacher.
No red line.
No red lines, and you are about to fall. You'll fall again. There you go. You're back in the business. Wait, where's my play? There, that's your play, and this is my play. We will shortly be able to do it in multiplayer, hopefully. I need to find a way to use this mask. Maybe I can cover it with some paper tape. Yeah, if I cover it with paper tape, that's gonna hold a bit of the nastiness and allow me to use it once again. Or maybe I can order a new one. Yeah, that should be the right
Yada
thing to
yada
do.
yada yada.
What is yada yada? Okay.
Hey guys, what is that to the left?
That is gibberish. Okay. This is not feeling great because I have it like squishing in my face. It's very hard to even test. So I can move around. The other one. Where is it?
It's here.
Give it to me.
I know that
No,
is
no.
that one there. Yeah, that.
Okay. This hurts my face. Okay. So I'm going around. It's pretty funny. Oh, it's not very responsive. I don't know if it's the controller, but it's not picking. It's not picking the actions. All right, let's build something. So hard to keep this on the face. Okay. That was a huge lag. Also, it is not pointing directly in front of me. That's because I need to recenter. Okay, now it's pointing. Because if I don't recenter, it's like it's going to. Yeah, it's got an offset between the VR center and the headset. Okay. So building feels a bit. There is a little bit of delay in the building process. Cover is fine. Building. Building. Yeah. Wait, what? Feels like it didn't. Okay, so it built, built the blocks, but it didn't make the collision. That's because I know what's happening. I know what is happening here. It built the geo, but not the physics body. You know what it means. It's a bug. It's just a bug between you and me. No. E allora? Bump, bump. And jump. Okay, we really need multiplayer now. I feel like we have enough to be present. I think ambient occlusion in greedy meshing can wait a bit. This is performant enough. Except for the fact that it's not visible. So maybe the loading should happen earlier. Yeah, the distance, the view distance is not that much. So maybe you can increase the view distance. What are you doing?
Daddy, look, I covered the place where there was water.
Oh, you made it dumb. You made it muddy.
Muddy?
Yes.
Why?
Okay, Chichi.
Why?
Let's end it here now.
Why is it muddy?
You covered in mud.
No, it's dirt.
Ah, dirt. Well, dirt over. What happens if you put dirt over water?
Mud.
Yes. Blop. Okay, stop it here. Oh, we have it. We have something. Bro, that's it.
What?
Let's go cooking now. All right. Bye bye. See you next time.
No. I want to do your video game.
Later.
No.